I try to understand if you were kind or cruel. People always said your fortune shines so bright, but I was searching for a soul of purest light. I tried to see if you would ever lose control. Your smile, your gentle voice, your dark and shining soul. Forgive me for the times I